Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. This vehicle is featured in deep blue metallic paint with white wheels. Now onto the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see we have our chrome door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in. We also have our wood trim, padded leather armrest, Bose speaker and storage underneath. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our four-wheel drive and lighting controls, as well as our electric park brake. Our gauge cluster with screen, digital speedometer, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with front collision alert option off to the left here, push start, infotainment screen with navigation, backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that we have our radio and dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, cooled seat options, and our vehicle controls. Under that we have our trailer brake and charging outlets, wireless charging pad, two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with perforated leather. Here's our key, tailgate release and remote start. Inside of here we have additional outlets and plenty of storage room. And the front seats feature High Country embossed into the leather headrests. Perforated leather is found in the lower portion. And again, these are heated and cooled seats with lumbar support. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, and a full black headliner. Back on the exterior, we can see our High Country badging in chrome, our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, and we have our paint matched mirror caps, chrome door handles, and chrome running boards. On all 4 door handles around the vehicle, we have our lock and unlock buttons. We have our rear privacy tint. And moving around to the back, we have our paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, chrome tip dual exhaust and hitch underneath, Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate, and our full line truck bed with High Country badging at the front. Now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, wood trim, speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear cup holders, heated seat options and charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60/40 fold down with fold out storage and fold down center seat with 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.